Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for budget approval processes, your complete 2025 guide. First up, we start by creating a new board. This is the foundation of your budget approval process. It's where all the magic happens. Click on the New button at the top of your dashboard, then select Board. Give it a name, like Budget Approval 2025, and select Main for the board type. This helps us because it keeps all your budget approval tasks organized in one place. Now that we've done that, it's time to customize your board with columns that fit your budget approval needs. Click on the Add Column button and start adding relevant columns like Budget Proposal, Team, Status, Approver, and Date. The reason we do this is to track all essential details of each budget proposal and its approval status in a clear, visual way. Next up, let's add some automations. Automations are a powerful feature of Monday.com that can help speed up your budget approval process. Click on the Automate button at the top of your board, then select an automation like When Status Changes to Submitted, Notify Approver. This helps us because it automates repetitive tasks, keeps the process moving, and ensures no budget proposal gets overlooked. But let's not forget about integrations. These can link your Monday.com board to other tools your team uses, like email or Slack. Go to the Integrate button at the top of your board, select your tool, and set up an integration like When Status Changes to Approved, send a notification to Slack. The reason we do this is to ensure the right people are notified at the right time, keeping everyone in the loop. Now that our board is set up, it's time to add your budget proposals. Click on the Add Item button to start adding your budget proposals, assigning teams, setting status, and assigning approvers. This is the heart of your budget approval process. It keeps everything transparent, manageable, and efficient. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to using Monday.com for your budget approval processes in 2025. Remember, the key is to customize your board, use automations and integrations, and keep everything transparent. Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time on the channel.